Getting ready to take the old square body down to the car wash for the first time ever. It's got some moss and things growing on it. Some other stuff. We'll see if we can scrub it off. I'm not going to spray the inside of the bed out, but we'll get the sides of it washed up. I want to do a in-cab POV of driving the 3 on the tree. Don't make fun of me though, because I'm still getting used to it. It's the first 3 on a tree I've ever driven. Or make fun of me. No, I don't care. Anyway, let's get on the road. Just took this thing down the road, so it should still be nice and warm. Got a mess going on in the yard from working on this thing. Didn't even have to touch the gas. See if there's any bays open. Here. Like a sewing machine. Wipers. Did I think that through? Alright, we're driving blind. Now we're back at the house. You can see the truck is somewhat changed color. So this, I think, is more of the original color, unless this is like primer. And then this is the new color. This is actually probably more the original. I think the hood's faded out. So, and then here's the paint that it was repainted with. It has more of a gold hue. Better look at that red oxide body filler stuff showing through. Lots of paint blasted off. Tailgate lost some paint. It's okay though. It's got that patina. But no, it'll get a paint job eventually once we get the pole barn put up. And honestly though, I think this might have been the original, unless they did it on purpose. One of my grandparents, somebody painted it, but that hard line there might have been like maybe they didn't want to spend the money on the paint and the roof, spend the time, so they hard lined it. This side didn't lose as much. But yeah, sometime I want to give it a Comet wash and maybe do a Vice Grip Garage clear coat on it, just to give it some more shine. But overall, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.